Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an electric window on a Ford Focus. First, you need to diagnose the problem. Start by checking the fuse box, usually located under the dashboard or hood, for any blown fuses. A faulty fuse is a common and easy fix. Next, test the window switch and motor. Sometimes the issue is a simple wiring problem or a worn-out switch, which can be replaced without much hassle. This initial diagnosis saves time and effort. If your diagnosis points to a faulty motor, replacing it is the next step. Begin by carefully removing the inner door panel. You'll typically find screws hidden under trim pieces or switch covers. Once the panel is off, disconnect the electrical connector from the motor and unbolt the motor and regulator assembly. Install the new motor, making sure it aligns correctly with the window track. Reconnect the wiring and test the window before reassembling the door panel. Sometimes the issue isn't the motor but the window regulator itself, or even the wiring. Examine the regulator for any bent, broken, or corroded components. If the cables are frayed or the tracks are damaged, the entire regulator assembly might need replacement. Also, check the wiring harness for any cuts, pinches, or loose connections. Repairing these can restore power. Finally, lubricate all moving parts to ensure smooth operation and prevent future issues. After completing your repairs, it's crucial to thoroughly test the window's operation. Roll it up and down several times, checking for smooth movement and proper sealing. Once you're satisfied, carefully reattach the door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are secure. Regular maintenance, like occasional lubrication, can extend the life of your window components. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.